I forbid you bringing this woman into my house.
Mama, just keep
quiet. You cannot.
Stop threatening saying that.
You will not.
You like it? I like you.
What is that? What has come over you?
As us in our life.
Huh? If you go here, how can you bring a mad woman in your house?
Mama, just calm down. Stop creating a scene here, please.
Can you get me? It's only Philip, it's okay. Eh? This is not the reason we ask you to return. Not this. Who does that?
Philip, I want.
This girl will bring her. She is not to you. That's it. Just staying here is a threat to your life.
Mama.
If you eat anything she cooks or sleep with her, you will die, Philip.
Mama, I wasn't.
Eh? Have mercy on my poor heart.
Mama, I wasn't planning on bringing her home until I found a solution. But Mama has asked me to come home. That is urgent. Mama, Aqua Angel.
So?
Aqua Angel.
Eh?
Wait, Chelo, can joke something. If she's your daughter, will you allow her to roam the street of Lagos homeless? Eh? Mama, we're talking about my wife here for crying out loud.
Brother, is that why you have to bring her here?
She is no longer your wife.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.